Stop feeling guilty about taking time alone. Today we'll be showing you why having some me time is a key factor for having a successful and healthy relationship. Welcome to snapreads, and whether you're in a long-term relationship or just starting something new, carving out time for yourself is essential for finding balance with your partner and within yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle of life, but I'm here to show you why taking intentional breaks from togetherness can actually benefit your connection with one another. The benefits of having individual alone time in a relationship. Having alone time in a relationship is not a sign of distancing or lack of love. It is, in fact, a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy and thriving partnership. When you spend time alone, you have the opportunity to reconnect with yourself, recharge your batteries, and nurture your own well-being. This, in turn, allows you to bring your best self back to your relationship. Alone time provides the space for self-reflection and self-awareness, which are essential for personal growth and development. It allows you to explore your own thoughts, emotions, and desires without external influences. By gaining a deeper understanding of yourself, you become better equipped to communicate your needs and desires to your partner, leading to a more harmonious and fulfilling relationship. Additionally, alone time can reduce stress and anxiety. It provides a much-needed break from the demands and pressures of everyday life. By taking a step back and allowing yourself to relax and unwind, you can alleviate tension and cultivate a sense of calm, which positively impacts your overall well-being and, consequently, your relationship. Understanding the need for personal space and independence. In any relationship, it is vital to recognize and respect the need for personal space and independence. Each individual brings their own set of interests, hobbies, and passions to the table, and nurturing these aspects of oneself is crucial for personal fulfillment. By honoring and encouraging each other's independence, you create a supportive and nurturing environment that allows for personal growth and self-expression. When you have the freedom to pursue your own interests and passions, you bring a sense of excitement and enthusiasm back into your relationship. By engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, you become a more vibrant and interesting partner. This, in turn, enhances the quality of your connection and strengthens the bond you share. Moreover, personal space and independence contribute to a healthy balance within the relationship. By taking breaks from constant togetherness, you create a dynamic where both partners have the opportunity to recharge and refocus. This prevents feelings of suffocation or codependency and allows for a more sustainable and fulfilling partnership. How taking breaks from constant togetherness can strengthen the relationship. Taking breaks from constant togetherness is not about distancing yourself from your partner. It is about creating a healthy balance and fostering a sense of individuality within the relationship. It allows each partner to maintain their own identity and pursue their own interests, which ultimately enriches the bond between them. When you prioritize me time, you are investing in your own well-being, which positively impacts your relationship. By taking care of yourself, you become a happier, more fulfilled person, which in turn allows you to bring more positivity and love to your partnership. When both partners prioritize self-care and alone time, the relationship thrives as a result. Furthermore, me time provides an opportunity for personal growth and self-improvement. By pursuing your own interests and hobbies, you expand your horizons and bring new experiences and perspectives to the relationship. This fosters a sense of admiration and appreciation for each other's unique qualities, creating a stronger and more resilient bond. Communication and boundaries in relation to me time. In order to successfully incorporate me time into your relationship, open and honest communication is key. It is important to have a conversation with your partner about the need for personal space and alone time, ensuring that both parties feel heard and understood. By setting clear boundaries and expectations, you create a framework that respects each other's needs. During these discussions, it is important to approach the topic with empathy and understanding. Recognize that everyone has different needs when it comes to alone time, and finding a balance that works for both partners is crucial. By actively listening to each other's concerns and desires, you can find a middle ground that allows for both togetherness and individuality. Regular check-ins and ongoing communication are also important to ensure that both partners feel supported and valued. By expressing gratitude for the time spent together as well as the time spent apart, you create a culture of appreciation and respect within the relationship. This strengthens the bond and fosters a sense of security and trust. Practical ways to incorporate me time into your relationship. Incorporating me time into your relationship doesn't have to be complicated. There are several practical ways to ensure that both partners have the opportunity to recharge and nurture themselves individually. One approach is to schedule designated alone time for each partner. This could be a specific day of the week or a few hours each day where each person can pursue their own interests and hobbies. By making it a priority and setting aside dedicated time, you create a structure that supports individuality within the relationship. Another approach is to find activities that you can enjoy separately but still share with your partner. For example, you could take a solo hike in the morning and then come together to cook a meal in the evening. This allows for both independence and togetherness, creating a balanced and fulfilling dynamic. Additionally, it can be beneficial to explore new interests and hobbies together. By trying new activities as a couple, you can discover shared passions that you can pursue individually as well. This allows for personal growth while still maintaining a sense of connection and shared experiences. Addressing common concerns and fears about me time. It is common for concerns and fears to arise when discussing me time in a relationship. These concerns often stem from a fear of abandonment or the misconception that alone time is a sign of trouble in the relationship. However, it is important to address these concerns and fears openly and honestly. One way to alleviate concerns is by emphasizing that me time is not about distancing oneself from the relationship, but rather about nurturing oneself to bring a stronger and more fulfilled self back to the partnership. By highlighting the benefits of personal growth and self-care, you can help alleviate anxieties and build understanding. Additionally, setting clear boundaries and expectations can help address fears of abandonment. By assuring your partner that alone time is not a threat to the relationship, but rather an essential aspect of maintaining a healthy balance, you create a sense of security and trust. The role of self-care and self-reflection in maintaining a healthy balance. Self-care and self-reflection play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance within a relationship. When you prioritize self-care, you are actively investing in your own well-being, which positively impacts your relationship. By taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally, you become a happier, more resilient partner. Self-reflection allows you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your needs. By regularly checking in with yourself and assessing your own well-being, you can identify areas that may require attention or improvement. This self-awareness enables you to communicate your needs effectively and make conscious choices that support your overall happiness and fulfillment. Furthermore, self-care and self-reflection provide the opportunity for personal growth and development. When you take the time to nurture your own interests and passions, you bring a sense of vitality and enthusiasm back into your relationship. By continuously evolving as individuals, you can continue to grow together as a couple. Real-life examples and success stories of utilizing me time in relationships. To further illustrate the benefits of me time in relationships, let's explore some real-life examples and success stories. Sarah and John have been together for several years and have always prioritized me time in their relationship. Sarah enjoys painting, while John is an avid runner. They both understand the importance of pursuing their own passions and hobbies and regularly schedule designated alone time. This has not only allowed them to grow individually but has also deepened their appreciation for each other's unique qualities. Another example is Alex and Lisa, a couple with demanding careers and busy schedules. They recognized the need for personal space and independence early on in their relationship and have been diligent about carving out me time. This has allowed them to recharge and refocus, preventing burnout and maintaining a strong connection despite their busy lives. In both of these examples, me time has played a crucial role in enhancing the quality of the relationship. By prioritizing individual well-being and personal growth, these couples have created a foundation of trust, support, and mutual admiration, emphasizing the importance of me time for a stronger and healthier relationship. Me time is not a luxury but a necessity in any relationship. Taking breaks from constant togetherness allows for personal growth, self-care, and self-reflection, which ultimately strengthens the bond between partners. By prioritizing individual well-being and maintaining a healthy balance, couples can cultivate a stronger, more resilient, and fulfilling relationship. So, Whether it's finding solace in a quiet corner at home or indulging in a hobby you love, remember that me time is not selfish but rather an investment in the love and connection you share. Give yourself permission to unplug, unwind, and nurture your relationship by giving yourself the gift of some quality alone time.